Hello and welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn topic applications of derivatives. In that article is increasing and decreasing function. So first we will see what is a increasing function. See our definition. Function f of x is said to be a monotonically, that means strictly increasing on an open interval a comma b if x1 comma x2 belongs to open interval a comma b such that x1 less than x2 implies f of x1 less than f of x2. See this figure, clearly graph of the function y equal to f of x. See this graph clearly increasing here. We have taken open interval a comma b. We have taken point x equal to a, x equal to b on x-axis. We have taken 2 points x1 and x2 in this interval, open interval a comma b. We have taken x1 less than x2 here. On x-axis always this x1 less than x2. x1 is less than x2. So what is definition? When we say function is monotonically increasing or strictly increasing, what is condition? x1, x2 belongs to open interval a comma b and x1 less than x2 must imply f of x1 less than f of x2. When you operate function on these two elements, always sign same, less than implies less than also here. That means x1, x2 taken in open interval a comma b. F of x1 means note that this length and f of x2 means this length. So always this length less than this length and x1 less than x2, which implies always f of x1 less than f of x2. If this condition is satisfied, x1 and x2 taken in open interval a comma b and x1 less than x2 implies that f of x1 less than f of x2. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say that function f of x is monotonically or strictly increasing on open interval a comma b. By using this definition, we derive one important formula. See here, suppose f of x is increasing function and let here h small increment that is positive. Suppose h greater than 0 is positive, small increment, then we consider x plus h greater than h here, always x plus h always greater than x. H is positive, we add h in x, that means x plus h always greater than x. And therefore, if I operate function f on these elements, what do we get? F of x plus h greater than f of x here. That means that is definition of increasing function. In increasing function, note that sign does not change, sign same, less than also we get here less than. After applying function also get same sign. Here also sign same, greater than sign, we get same here, greater than sign. We simplify this, f of x plus h minus f of x greater than 0. We have taken f of x on left side. Therefore, then we divide by h on both sides. So divide by h which is greater than 0. Right side 0 upon h means we get 0 here. Then we take limit as h tends to 0 on both sides. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. When we take limit, we get some finite value, finite quantity. So sign becomes greater than or equal to, which is equal to 0. Limit of 0 also 0. And we know definition of derivative, our first principle, our definition of derivative, this is nothing but f dash x, and which is greater than equal to 0 for x belongs to R. So I get this value. So we can say function is increasing, therefore fx is an increasing function if f dash x greater than equal to 0 for x belongs to R. So take this as standard formula. When we say function is increasing function, always we have to take f dash x greater than or equal to 0. And when we say function is monotonically or strictly increasing, that means we take only f dash x greater than 0. When we say strictly increasing, we take sign greater than 0. And when we say increasing, we get here f dash x greater than or equal to 0 for x belongs to R. Next we will see what is a decreasing function. See a graph also. Clearly graph is decreasing here. We have taken x1 and x2 2 points in open interval a comma b, right? Here f of x1 means this length, f of x2 means this length. So what is definition of decreasing function? Function f of x is said to be monotonically or strictly decreasing on an open interval a comma b. Here what is condition? We have taken x1 comma x2 belongs to open interval ab such that x1 less than x2 implies that f of x1 greater than f of x2. So this condition is important. In a decreasing function, see here less than sign becomes greater than. When we say function is decreasing, less than sign becomes greater than here. We have taken x1 and x2 belongs to open interval ab, which implies f of x1 greater than f of x2. When we operate function on these elements, always sign reverses. You can see graph this. Clearly graph decreasing here. Graph of function y equal to decreasing. We have taken 2 points x1, x2 belongs to this open interval a comma b. Always x1 less than x2 here, and f of x1 means this length, f of x2 means this length. Always this length is greater than this length. That means we have taken x1 less than x2 here, but f of x1 is greater than f of x2 here. So this condition must satisfied. Less than sign becomes greater than, and then we say function is monotonically decreasing function, right? We derive formula by using definition. Here also we let h greater than 0, very small. Then we consider x plus h greater than x. Always h is positive, we add h in x means always x plus h greater than x. We simplify this. Operate f on both sides, f of x plus h. We have taken function is decreasing. Note that when function is decreasing, less than becomes greater than, or greater than becomes less than here. Here sign greater than, that means it becomes less than when we operate function f. And we simplify this. So f of x plus h minus f of x less than 0, fx taken on left side. Then we divide by h. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, which is less than 0. 0 divided by h means 0. Then we take limit on both sides. Limit as h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. When we take limit, we get here less than equal to sign. Limit of 0 means 0. We know definition of derivative, first principle. This is f dash x, which is less than equal to 0. So we get this formula or this condition, and therefore we can say f of x is a decreasing function. Decreasing function if f dash x less than equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. So this is condition for decreasing function. Already we have seen for increasing function, condition is f dash x greater than equal to 0. Now we solve some problems on the article increasing and decreasing function. So first problem, test whether the following functions are increasing or decreasing. We have to check given function either increasing or decreasing. We know definition, if the function is increasing, we must get f dash x greater than or equal to 0. If the function is decreasing, we must get f dash x less than or equal to 0, right? So see here solution. We know definition for increasing, for decreasing always f dash x is there, that means we have to differentiate. We differentiate the given function. So f dash x equal to derivative of x cube 3x square minus derivative of 6x square, derivative of x cube 2x, 2x into 6 means 12x, plus 12 constant, derivative of x is 1, derivative of minus 16 0. Simplify this, take 3 common, in bracket x square minus 4x plus 4. So it is equal to 3, and this bracket nothing but expansion of this x minus 2 whole square. So we get 3 into x minus 2 whole square. Since always 3 positive greater than 0 and x minus 2 whole square also positive, because square is there, bracket square greater than 0 if condition x is not equal to 2. If we take x equal to 2, we get here 0. So we can't write greater than 0. So when x is not equal to 2, this bracket square, x minus 2 square always greater than 0. And therefore we can write 3, right side 3 into x minus 2 its square, which is positive greater than 0, right? For all x belongs to R. When I write x belongs to R means always 2 is there. When you take x equal to 2, this will be 0 and sign becomes greater than equal to 0. And this is nothing but this is right side 3 into x minus 2 square, right side. What is left side? Left side is f dash x, and therefore f dash x, which is greater than equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. And by definition this shows that function is increasing. Therefore f of x is an increasing function. Similarly, we solve second problem. Given that f of x equal to 2 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube, x belongs to R. So first we differentiate f dash x equal to derivative of 2 0, derivative of minus 3x minus 3 plus derivative of 3x square 6x minus derivative of x cube 3x square. Take here minus 3 common, in bracket x square, plus sign becomes minus, we get 2x, minus sign becomes plus, 3 outside we get 1 here, and we get minus 3, and this bracket nothing but expansion of x minus 1 whole square. Observe right side, always here 3 which is positive, and x minus 1 square also positive when or if x is not equal to 1. When we take x equal to 1, it will be 0, and therefore we can write right side 3 into x minus 1 square is positive greater than 0. If we multiply minus sign, minus 3 into x minus 1 square, what do you get? This will be less than 0, right? If we take minus sign, always this product less than 0 for all x belongs to R. X belongs to R means we can take x equal to 1. When we take x equal to 1, it will be 0. That means becomes 0, that is less than equal to 0, and therefore this right side nothing but f dash x. So we get f dash x, which is less than equal to 0 for x belongs to R, and by definition this shows that given function f of x is a decreasing function. Right? Continue third problem. F of x equal to x minus 1 by x, x belongs to R, and given that x is not equal to 0, because in denominator x is there. If we take x equal to 0, we get meaningless quantity, that is infinity. So first we differentiate. F dash x is equal to derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 1 by x, we know formula, minus 1 divided by x square. So we get 1 minus minus plus 1 divided by x square. Similarly this LCM cross multiplication, x square plus 1 divided by x square. So we get f dash x equal to this. Then since we know that x square always positive greater than 0, square is there if x is not equal to 0, right? And therefore x square plus 1 also greater than 0. Take right side ratio, x square plus 1 divided by x square also greater than 0 if x is not equal to 0 here, because x is in denominator, and therefore this is nothing but x square plus 1 divided by x square means left side is f dash x, and which is greater than 0 for x belongs to R, and x is not equal to 0 here, and this shows that here see that sign is strictly greater than. So we can say f of x is a monotonically increasing function, or you can say strictly increasing function. Okay, we'll stop here. Till then, goodbye.